I judge a drink by how the girls in the office react to it, okay? And they love this one. Strawberry Marmalade Margarita. That's not a mistake. That's right, there's marmalade in this bad boy. So we rim our glass with salt. Bye. Put that aside, okay? Because we're going on to manly business. Well, we're going on to business. Sorry for saying manly, ladies. Ice strawberry tequila, triple sec, okay? Come behind that with some fresh squeezed lime juice. Beautiful, okay? Hit that with a little bit of orange juice. Where's the marmalade, Sky? Right here, okay? We shake that up, shake it and keep it sexy. Get that nice and mixed. Now let's sexify the glass with some of those strawberry slices in there. Put in some, look at the ice. That ice is gorgeous. That's good, clean, fresh ice from 7-Eleven. So you'll not have to complain about my fridge ice at all discolored, okay? Pour our mix in, garnish with a lime, and we're good to go, okay? Like I say, I was a little bit skeptical, but I took a sip and it changed my mind. Hallelujah.